Hey guys, only 4 days remaining. This is the same offer that I talked about in a few videos away. Somehow, it got 11,000 views. But some powerless, angry toddlers were not happy with it, so they said this. Now no worries, in this video, I will claim 1 year free Nitro and show it. To some people who said this is only for new accounts, Discord doesn't give free Nitro trials to the old ones. Now notice this. The account was created on September 14th, 2020, and receive 1 month free Nitro offer. Here, if you pick yearly, make sure your bank account already has $100, and if you pick monthly, your bank account should have at least $10. After that, pick a payment method that you have. After adding all the details, I'll hit next and get Nitro yearly. One thing to add, Discord will charge you $1 just to check if you're not broke. You'll get that money back within 24 hours, excluding weekend and bank holidays. See, now who was scamming or clickbaiting? Was it me? I just showed you what was there. If Discord just singled her out and gave her free Nitro, that's not my fault. While we are at it, I'll show you how to unsubscribe this. This is very important because you don't want Discord to charge you money for the Nitro after your trial is over. I've already unsubscribed. That's why you see this, but for you, you'll find cancel here. Just click that. After that is done, just go to billing option and remove or delete all the payment methods that you used. It could be card or PayPal. Now, let's see profile bundle. As I mentioned in my last video, this is Nitro Jet Fuel profile bundle. You can grab one if you're a Nitro user. What all things do you get? The first is some random Discord screen effect, which I am not a fan of. I think I've seen better themes on Bencord. The second one is display name styles. I don't think I've seen this, but looks like you can now change your name fonts and give different effects to it. Let me know if you like this in the comment section. Now, let's go to profile bundle. We'll start from the avatar frame. You get this purple neon ring. Does it look cool? Maybe, I guess. Let's see the nameplate. I think the nameplate looks sick. Not being biased because I love purple color, but I think it's great. Now, let's check profile effect. This one looks atrocious. I don't know what you feel about it, guys. But I'm not a fan. Let me know what you think. So yeah, I guess that is it. I want to thank my server staff, Amelia, for letting me test out these new things on her account. Let me know in comments if I missed something and hit the like and subscribe button to get more videos like this. And hey, don't forget to join my Discord server.